Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today I'm going to show you how to search the library catalog for a specific journal or periodical. The first thing we want to do after getting to the library's main webpage is go to the quick search here, and we're going to search for The Guardian, which is a well-known British newspaper. Once we hit the search button, it should take us into a new tab here. Give it a second to fully load, and then we can see we got over, I believe it was 1 million results, so quite a bit here. And we're not really going to find much through here. They're going to have a lot of different results coming back here. Kind of a way to narrow that down is actually to come up here to the journal's A to Z link, and it's going to open up another tab for us. And then we're going to want to use the search bar here at the top, and we're going to type in The Guardian, and actually it's very nice that it'll do some keyword searching and pop that up for you. So we'll select that, give it a second here to fully load. And then as you can see, the first one that popped up here, Guardian, the UK, that's what we're looking for. And then we have options here going back to 1990 and all these different databases that have access to it. So we'll try Business Insights Essentials. This is the first database provider listed, so we'll try that. This search bar is actually going to search their whole database, so that's not going to work for us. Let's scroll down here. We could do by date, but that's not really what we're looking for. So sometimes this happens. We'll just exit out of this and we'll go back and let's try a Gale Academic 1 file. Let's see if that gives us some better searching options here. Again, don't be afraid to try a different database if the first one isn't providing you the tools that you're looking for. So this is what we're looking for, search within publication. So this is the search box we want, which is different from the search box up here at the top. So let's say I want to learn about libraries and what the Guardian has said about them in the past. So we'll go ahead, search library. And so this is searching all the way back to 1990, any story that's published with the word library in it. So we got over 26,000 results. We have some limiters over here on the right hand side, so we can look for document types. So we can narrow this down to just articles and apply that. We'll give it a second. So it did tell us 18,000 approximately articles, and now we see that over here, and actually you can see it here as well. The blue lets us know what we're searching. Once we do find that article that looks interesting, looks like it'll work for our project, we can go ahead and select it. And now we're in here. If you've used Academic 1 file or any Gale database, it kind of looks the same. You have the title right here, publication date, publisher, how long it is. Above it, we have the citation available to us. If we select that, then you can see our 3 different main options here, MLA, APA, and Chicago style. Remember, these are machine generated, so you'll want to double check them. The permalink is also here available as well, so if you want to come back here, select that link and you can save it. And again, you can download this article and you can also listen to it. If you have any questions, have any trouble searching for a specific journal, please reach out to us through chat or email.